This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Press the release button and open the tailgate. Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Ensure the handbrake is fully applied. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Pull the side trim panel from place and remove the parcel shelf. Raise the trailing arm a little. Using a spanner to prevent the piston rod from turning, unscrew the upper mounting nut and remove the top mounting insulator. Unscrew the lower mounting bolt, then lower the trailing arm a little and withdraw the shock absorber. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position. Align the lower mounting holes and refit the mounting bolt. Don't tighten the bolt at this stage. Raise the trailing arm a little, then refit the top mounting insulator. Refit the upper mounting nut, but don't fully tighten it at this stage. Lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the nuts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. With the weight of the vehicle back on its wheels, tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Fold forwards the rear seat and tighten the upper mounting nut to the specified torque. Refit the parcel shelf and the side panel trim.